How to recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can recover deleted photos on iPhone without your backup. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup, now sometimes when you delete your photos from iPhone, your iPhone mainly backs them up to two main places. One is your iCloud, which is if you have your Apple ID synced and then you delete it, you back them up to your cloud. There's still a chance that you can recover it, but you happen to skip that process. You don't have your iCloud at all, you have not backed up anything in the past. There is still one more chance that you have, that is by using the Photos app itself. So to do this, first of all, just open the Photos app. Let's say you happen to delete some of the photos and videos in the past and now you want to recover them. It's very simple. All you have to do is just tap the albums button from the bottom right here, scroll down, and then here you'll find a section called utilities, where you'll find a section where it says recently deleted. So all you have to do is just tap on recently deleted here, go ahead and unlock with your Face ID or your authentication or whatever you have. Once you've done so, you'll be able to see all the videos and photos that you might want to recover and that you've deleted in the past. If you want to recover either of this, just tap on it and choose the option to recover it or delete it if you'd prefer. So tap on the recover button if you want, or just tap on the delete button if you think so. And that's it for today's video on how you can go ahead and then recover deleted photos on iPhone without backup. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.